Good morning! Last look sa rooftop pool kay Iton. What's up mga paps? Good day. So it's our last full day here in KL before we say goodbye to Malaysia. And papunta tayo ngayon sa KL Central. And then if I have time, tour pa natin ang Central Market and other parts na nearby place in KL Central. Bale doon tayo sasakay ng KLIA Express papuntang KL International Airport Terminal 2.
So if you have any other movie recommendation, which movie? Drop me the text over at our Celcom DG by Jimmy Time 016-493-5555. Eve.
Yeah, take care. Thank you. So, we're back at KL Central. Remember nyo, dito tayo sumakay ng bus papuntang Genting Highlands. If hindi nyo pa napanood yung tutorial how to go to Genting Highlands from KL Central, lalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box.
Tayo sasakay ng paano?
Oo.
Dito na sa loob.
Sa loob. Sa loob. Okay, hello. We will take the per day.
Yeah,
Yeah, new locker. Yeah, and then number one was there.
Medium.
Here,
Yeah,
15. One number.
Okay, next. This one color.
Just one color.
Okay, by card, bank card.
Card,
Card, yeah.
card. For one day.
One day, okay.
Yeah, that's the card.
Okay. Okay, good.
Okay. Thank you. 15.
Nasa taas.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Not him.
Yeah, then you put it that.
Po, yeah.
Ang pasapit ko nandito.
Sige lang. Adali mo, baka kailangan. So ito na nga, iniwan muna namin yung gamit namin dito sa Dr. Locker for one day. Ang rate ay 50 ringgit. Okay, lunch muna tayo. Dami pala. Kala ko konti lang.
Ano, isang set yan?
Dalawang order. That's it. Yan ang pwede mas mayaman na kayo. Kaya nga. Ang dami pala talaga. Sili. Goreng na may goreng talaga.
Konti lang, ano, ayun.
So yun, busog na. Explore muna natin ang Central Market and mamimili tayo ng mga additional na mga pasalubong.
dayain.
Ito, konting tao dito na side. Mga stalls dito. Ito, souvenir again. Dun. May nagpawisan ng kilikili ni Babes. To, pare-pareho lang. Ano?
Patik sa roses.
Kano bilhin natin? 12. Sino ang dati may ganyan?
Patik sa
Yun.
pang kusina ko lang.
Puro mga ano pala rito sa second floor. Puro mga damit. Ay mga ano, textile damit.
Hindi ka isa. Pumuyak.
Kano ba?
Ito ba? Maganda o yan mo.
Teka, with the brown. Magkano ito
Kaya
yan?
niya to.
Magkano ba?
59.
Ha?
59.
Oh, nip.
Siyempre, batikman yun.
Philippines, malo.
Like that?
No, malo?
Yes. So
Yeah.
you just tie it on your waist or here?
Anyway,
Ah.
After Philippines, everybody knows how to wear malong, right? Yeah.
Me, I don't know.
Sorry, you
How,
have to
how low, how big is this? Can I
standard
see?
size. A lot of Philippine customers, our customers, a lot of Philippine customers.
This one is open on you.
Yeah, you can bring
Oh, that's it.
I think your country people know how to wear. Every Asian country people, they know how to
That
wear.
is, I
Already
thought
sold.
open.
that is malong.
Yeah, malong. That's
Yeah,
Philippine-
not sarong. Yeah, malong.
Sarong.
Yeah, in Malaysia they call it sarong.
Okay.
Our language,
In
your language.
Malong, yes.
Malong.
Malong.
But I thought
Ah,
sarong is not
No, this
is
is
not stitch. It's straight. Not
that is kain lepas.
okay.
Kain lepas. They call it kain lepas. The
Uh,
one not stitched.
yeah. It's stitch at the
This
end
one,
to meet the end.
yes. This is sarong. Then we also wear. I'm a Malaysian. I'm a local.
Yeah.
Exactly. Everywhere. Thailand, all the ASEAN countries, everybody wear sarong.
Okay.
But different names. They call it different names. But it's only one product.
Okay.
Like God. They
Then
call
only.
different names. But there's only one God. Same like that.
Wait, I'm counting.
Yeah.
There is a bathrobe like this.
Bathrobe.
Yeah.
But not in batik. We have to like this.
What? I don't
Ah,
like
silk.
Yeah.
No.
Satin silk. You want?
I like this.
But you buy this one. And then you can
Sabi
Tailor-made.
tailored. Yeah.
you take one sample from, because the tailor won't understand. So you buy one sample and you say you sew like this for me.
Kunan mo ko sa webs ng ganyan. Wala akong ganyan eh. But
Pili ka
malong.
ng ano dun, kulay. Bigay ko kayo.
So, we're done now. Mabili dito sa Central Market and pasyal-pasyal muna sa nearby places before going back to KL Central.
Amazing ang Merdeka. Grabe. Ginawa siya sa gitna ng busy street. Grabe. Merdeka na yan. Yan pa Sarsini. Pa Sarsini. Walk. What the heck? Grabe, taas.
We're back at KL Central and nakuha na rin namin yung mga luggage namin at papunta na tayo ngayon sa KLIA Terminal 2. Ang flight natin ay mamaya pa namang 12 midnight. So maaga na lang tayo sa airport tatambay. Bye, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay, dinner muna tayo. Try natin tong laksa before leaving Malaysia.
Ayun na. Okay. Thank you.
Tulad kayong ano.
Grabe na po eh.
Ha?
Grabe ang amoy niya.
Amoy. Bagoong. Hindi mo pinicturan.
Sa video. Sira mo. Kayo ba? Picture ba?
Parang paksi.
Ayan na asam. Kasi asam is sour. Sour soup, right? Para siyang sardinas na nilagyan ng suka. Tapos panpansit.
Spanish sardines.
Hindi, Spanish. Ano talaga?
555.
May pipe.
Para siyang paksiw linas na bawan. Paksiw na may toyo. Tapos sinabawan.
Busog na. So, it's time talaga to leave Malaysia.
Five day, 5-0.